Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This bracelet tutorial is for you if you are beginner beaders and you want to learn beading, or for experienced beaders if you want to add this beautiful bracelet to your beaded jewelry collection. Choose your favorite colors of the beads and match it with your own style or create a unique handmade gift. To make the bracelet you need 6mm rondelle beads. I will name them RB. 11 Xerox seed beads. I will name them SB. 3mm pearl beads. I will name them PB. I use Wildfire beading thread point 0.6 inches. The thread length is 80 inches. You need two clasps of your choice. Also, you need a beading thread size 12. Thread the needle. Let us get started. Pick up one SB on the needle and slide it down on the thread, leaving 1 inch of thread end. Add the clasp and slide it down beside the SB. Make 3 knots. Go with needle through the SB. Go through the clasp. Again, go through the SB. Pick up 3 SBs on the needle. Pick up 1 RB. Pick up 3 SBs. Go with needle through SB. Go with needle through the next 3 SBs. Go through the RB. Pick up to PBs. Pick up 1 SB. Pick up to PBs. Go through the RB. Go through the both PBs. Go through the SB and both pearl beads. Pick up 1 SB. Go with needle through the next 3 SBs. Skip the top SB. Go with needle through the next 3 SBs. Pick up 1 SB. Go through the next 2 PBs. Go through the SB. Go with needle through the 2 PBs. Pick up 3 SBs. Skip 1 SB and go with needle through the next 3 seed beads. Skip the top SB. Go with needle through the next 3 SBs. Pick up 3 SBs. Go with needle through the next 2 PBs. Go through the SB. Cut off the end thread. Pick up 3 SBs. Pick up 1 RB. Pick up 3 SBs. Go through the SB. Go with needle through the all 3 SBs. Go through the RB. Pick up 2 PBs. Pick up 1 SB. Pick up 2 PBs. Go with needle through the RB. Go through the 2 PBs. Go through the SB and both PBs. Pick up 1 SB. Go with needle through the next 3 SBs. Skip the top SB and go with needle through the next 3 SBs. Pick up 1 SB. Go through the both PBs. Go through the SB and next to PBs. Pick up 3 SBs. Skip the first SB and go through the next 3 SBs. Skip the top seed bead and go through the next 3 SBs. Pick up 3 SBs. Go through the both to PBs. Go through the SB. Continue adding beads as I shown until you reach the desired length of the bracelet. My bracelet length is 6.5 inches. To make the bracelet, I used 13 RBs and 50 to PBs. Add the clasp. Go through the SB. Go through the clasp. Go through the SB. Get to knots. Go through the both PBs. Get to knots. Cut off the thread. Thanks for watching and have fun beading.